Join me as I take on the challenge of finding inner peace through this simple meditation tutorial. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of daily life, leaving us feeling stressed, anxious, and overwhelmed. But what if I told you that there's a way to escape the chaos and find a sense of inner peace that's not just a pipe dream but a tangible reality? It's called meditation, and it's a game changer. When we're constantly surrounded by distractions, it's no wonder we struggle to find inner peace. Our minds are constantly racing, our phones are always buzzing, and our to-do lists seem to never end. And if we're being honest, trying to quiet our minds can be a daunting task. It's easy to get caught up in the whirlwind of anxiety, feeling like we're stuck in a never-ending cycle of worry and doubt. But the truth is, we don't have to let those feelings consume us. We're bombarded with advertisements telling us that the key to happiness lies in material possessions, social media followers, or the latest productivity hack. But deep down we know that's not true. We know that real happiness comes from within, from a place of inner peace and contentment. So why do we struggle so much to achieve it? One reason is that we're not taught how to quiet our minds and listen to our hearts. We're not taught how to be still and present in the moment. And that's exactly what this meditation tutorial is all about. Another major obstacle to achieving inner peace is the fear of letting go. We're afraid to let go of our worries, our fears, and our doubts because we think they define us. But the truth is, they're just a small part of our story. When we learn to let go, we open ourselves up to a world of possibility and freedom. We start to realize that we're not our thoughts, we're not our emotions, and we're not our circumstances. We're so much more than that. The meditation technique I'll be demonstrating today is called mindfulness meditation. It's a simple yet powerful practice that helps you focus your attention on the present moment, letting go of distractions and doubts. To practice mindfulness meditation, you'll need to find a quiet, comfortable space where you can sit and relax. You can close your eyes or focus on a fixed point in front of you, whichever feels more natural. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body relax and let go of any tension. The key to mindfulness meditation is to focus on your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body, the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of your belly expanding and contracting. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Remember, the goal isn't to stop your thoughts completely, but to learn to observe them without getting caught up in them. As you settle into your meditation practice, you'll start to notice a sense of calmness and clarity that you may not have experienced in a long time. You'll start to feel more grounded, more centered, and more at peace. This isn't just a feeling, it's a state of being that's available to you at any moment. All you have to do is take the time to practice. Let's take a few minutes to practice this meditation technique together. Find a comfortable seated position, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in. Feel your body relax. Feel your mind quiet. Focus on your breath. Feel the sensation of the air moving in and out of your body. Don't try to control your breath, just observe it. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring your attention back to your breath. As we sit in silence, I want you to notice the sensation of your body relaxing, of your mind quieting. Feel the sense of calmness and clarity that's available to you in this moment. This is inner peace, and it's yours for the taking. Let's take one final deep breath in. And as we exhale, slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you're feeling before we move on. To recap, finding inner peace through meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that can be incorporated into your daily routine. By focusing on your breath and letting go of distractions, you can experience a sense of calmness and clarity that will stay with you long after your meditation practice is over. Remember, the key is to be consistent and make meditation a regular part of your routine. Thanks for joining me on this journey to find inner peace. Namaste.